Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition on your PC or on your computer. So there are two ways to do this. You can either pay for it or you can install it for free. But of course, installing it for free comes with certain risks, such as viruses or other malwares that may come from installing free games online. Now, if you look at Steam, you won't be able to find the Minecraft Java edition here. By the way, the Java edition is the original edition. Now, I'm not sure if it's on Steam, but currently I'm not seeing it here as of now. But if you go to their website, this is the official Minecraft website. You can see here the Minecraft Java and Bedrock edition. So it comes with two sets. The first one is the original, the plain one, Minecraft. You get Minecraft Java Edition and the Bedrock Edition, and of course the Minecraft launcher. And then the deluxe edition that comes with 5 maps, 5 persona items, 3 emotes, 3 skin packs, 1 texture pack, all for $10 more. It's available in Windows, Mac, and Linux. So if you want to download it here, then of course go to Minecraft website and then just go to checkout. And then you'll need to have an account, Microsoft account, for you to be able to purchase this game. Now, if you want to download it, there are, of course, third parties like this one, Softonic, that allows you to download the Java and Bedrock edition for free. But like what I've said earlier, there are repercussions when you download it for free. There will be malwares, there will be possible malwares that comes with downloading the free edition. So if you're much more comfortable with buying it online, then definitely check out their website. They have a lot of games. There are a lot of versions to offer, so be sure to check that out. And it's a lot safer compared to, of course, downloading it for free. There are different available. It's available in different platforms. You can download it on Xbox, on PlayStation, iOS, Nintendo, Android, or of course on your Chromebook. So yeah, if you're interested in playing Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition, I suggest getting it on the website for $39.99 or for the $29.99. And that's it. We hope this video was able to help you out and figure out where to install Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. If it did, please do hit the like and subscribe button and comment down below if you have already downloaded Minecraft or if you have played Minecraft before. And of course, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this only here on Tech Help Guy.